Hello everybody, this is my English presentation for Level 2 Task 4. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, I'm going to talk about my trip experience at La Guajira. Then, I'm going to talk about the weather in La Guajira and give you some recommendations if you go to La Guajira. Let's get started. This is me. I'm Maria Judith Ruiz. I was born in Barranquilla, but when I met my husband, I moved to Medellin in 2013. In 2017, our daughter, Maria Isabel, was born. I'm a housewife, but I'm studying to be a math teacher. I love eating, watching series and movies, and going to the beach. Okay, let's continue with my trip experience in La Guajira. The last January, I was in La Guajira for 2 days. I was there with my husband, my daughter, my parent, my sister, my brother, and my nephew. We visit the salt mines in Manaure and we crossed the desert in order to go to Cabo de la Vela. In La Guajira, it's very sunny and hot, so I recommend that you wear sunscreen and comfortable clothes. Also, to drink plenty of water, but it is advisable that you buy bottled water because the tap water is not clean enough there. In high season, I recommend that you book the hotel in advance. If you go to Cabo de la Vela, you had better hire a guide and carry your cell phone all the time so you can communicate in case of emergency. Finally, it is necessary that you be careful when swimming in the sea because waves can be dangerous. Tips for good traveling experience. What should people do in La Guajira? In La Guajira, people should go to Cabo de la Vela. It is a beautiful place. The landscape is fantastic. What should the people do in La Guajira? If you want to go to Cabo de la Vela, you shouldn't go in your own car and you had better not go there without a guide. Thank you.